Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing essentials so the reset flows without interruption. Make sure you're signed into the Google Home app with the account you want to use, have the Wi-Fi name and password ready, and keep the hub plugged in. Once powered, perform the factory reset. Press and hold the reset area on the back until the device chimes. This erases local settings and clears previous links so you can set the hub up cleanly with your chosen account. After the reset, open Google Home and tap Add, then set up Device and New Device. Choose the home where you want the hub. Once the hub appears, tap to connect. You may scan the on-screen code or accept the pairing sound. Next, follow the guided prompts to join the Wi-Fi network, choose language, and complete voice match and privacy preferences. These steps link the hub to your account and network, so it can access services and respond to voice commands securely and reliably. Finish by personalizing the hub. Assign it to a room, link music and smart home services, and adjust display and notification settings so it behaves how you want. Once configured, test voice commands, casting, and connectivity. Accept any firmware updates so features and security stay current. If the hub doesn't appear in Google Home, reboot the hub, your phone, and the router, then retry Discovery if problems persist. Perform another factory, reset to clear lingering pair data, and start the setup sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.